So updated part. I'm gonna do my upper control arm shocks. My shocks on this side, upper control arm on the side, and stabilizer bar link thing on this side. I was going to do the outer and the inner tie rod. I got the parts for them, but I don't have the tool. And my bar is actually pretty good. So, and my lower ball joints, I got all of that, but I'm not gonna go through the hassle of doing that right now. I'll say that for another project, for another day. But my main thing is I got the upper control arm done, the shocks, and the stabilizer link on this side done and completed. I'm gonna do the other side. So yeah, that's it. Got it all done. You can see.